Welcome! In this video, we will practice reading simple sentences. We will use three-letter words like man, cat, and sad. All the words feature the vowel R in the middle. Let's build your reading skills step by step. Let's get started. The man is in the van. Again, the man is in the van. Now your turn. The cat sat on the mat. Again, the cat sat on the mat. Now your turn. The man has a cap. Again, the man has a cap. Now your turn. Sam is sad. Again, Sam is sad. Now your turn. The yam is in the pan. Again, the yam is in the pan. Now your turn. Is that the fat ram? Again, is that the fat ram? Your turn. Yes, that is the fat ram. Again, yes, that is the fat ram. Now your turn. If you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.